Hello, Chef. Here I am reviewing another product in one of the kitchens. So once again, we've got the Bron heavy-duty mandolin. This is the 40 blade model, and wow, I really like it. So I'm going to be opening a box for you and show you exactly what's in the box and why this is the best heavy-duty mandolin you can buy. Okay, the first thing about this mandolin is this is a heavy-duty model. It's got more metal, more stainless steel. It's pure stainless steel. It's super high quality and it's razor sharp. These have been made a very, very long time in France. There's a lot of other mandolins out there on the market. They're all knockoffs. They're all cheap. They're mostly garbage. This is the real deal right here. So I'm going to open it. Let's see what we got. Open it up here. It's sealed with a piece of tape in France. It's sealed at the factory. So this is what you get in the box. Pusher guard. Okay. I don't actually use this myself. Mandolin. Oh yeah. Brand new and shiny. Directions, how to use. A plastic safety guard. I highly recommend you only remove that with pliers or the cut-proof glove. This is the real deal. Okay, be right back. We'll set this baby up. Okay, and what we have right here is a brand new stainless steel glove. This is a cut level 5, super strong stainless steel with a white coating on it for comfort. When it's brand new out of the package like this, I wash them. So this has been washed in very hot water. Fits very, very well. This is made kind of a one-size-fits-all. They come small, medium, large, but it's made to be a loose glove. It will not be a tight glove. So moving on to this mandolin here, I'll show you very quickly. By the way, you can get this and this at your sponsor right there, and I'll show you a few basic things about the mandolin. So it's kind of like playing a guitar. When you first get your guitar, it's like, wow, what do I do? Well, it's not that hard. You open up the legs and you set the legs in position. They lock right here like this. So once they lock in place, you're good to go. Before you do all that, you should learn how to use the mandolin adjustments. Right here, you're adjusting one of the blades. So you're adjusting with this lever the waffle or crinkle cut blade right there. So you want that down and out of the way if you're not using it. Right here, you adjust the julienne or French fry cutter blades up or down, thinner or thicker, like this. Now to start with, we want to get it out of the way. We want to remove this plastic piece that's put in there just for shipping. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah. Okay, I got the plastic pieces off. You can use pliers or a screwdriver. Be very careful. These blades are now exposed, very, very sharp. So the glove gives you full protection, maximum protection. Same with knives. The glove is a cut-proof glove. It's designed to stop knives. They do not cut your hands. So the glove's a great idea. All right, so now that I got this mandolin ready to go, I'm going to set it up like this. And I'm going to decide which blades I'm going to use. So in this case, the julienne blades are exposed. If I close it like this, I can rotate the lever. And now the French fry cutter blades are exposed. Okay? So if you want to close that up for now and open this other lever like this, now the crinkle cut blades are exposed. Okay? Don't touch these blades with your bare fingers. They're very, very sharp. They're very thin. They're sharper than you think. You put the glove on, you're good to go. If you prefer the safety pusher, the pusher block goes on about like this. And you can put your vegetables in here and push them back and forth. Okay? I'm just not a big fan of this thing, so you can use it if you want to. So anyway, that's the review. You can score both of these products at your sponsor right there. And please watch the next video. I'll be testing out this brand new mandolin and we'll get it going. I do like to wash it first. I'll be right back. Moving on to one of these red ones here. Here we go. You can go faster. The sponsor is having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple and it's been used for over 10 years. It's really, really nice to prep food on, let me tell you. All right, that's the video. Get cooking. Keep your blades sharp. Woo! Yeah. This knife is very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day.